with what you just shared about the importance of self-belief and the power of thought being the fundamental force that drives us to achieve something, I would like to know what your perception of failure and rejection is, because in the film industry, this is something that a lot of people tend to face. So, how did you face this challenge, and how did you overcome it? What's your advice for people who are possibly going through the same thing?
One thing is that everybody who has come on your show, perhaps, and whatever books you have read, they've told you the same thing: is that you don't take failure personally, which is true. And that's what, if I've done 150 films, you mentioned I've done around 150 films. And if I ask you to mention a couple of my films, you'll probably come with 10, 20, maximum 30 films, which means I've failed 70 times. But what remains in your mind, what the people remember, the people of Karnataka remember, is an America, is a Amrita Varshini, is a Panchatantram, is a Satili Lavati, is a Rama Shamapama, is a Apta Mitra, is a Ulta Palta. The highs of your life is what remains in the public. So when you fall low, when you give a flop, if you're devastated, if you're not able to function as well as you were when you're successful, then you can never see the next high. So it's very, very important to understand that, yes, I failed. It's not you failed. You say, my attempt failed. I tried at something that failed. You didn't fail. Not the entire you didn't fail. You tried one particular thing. The idea was wrong. You were stupid. You were an idiot at that point. You are not an idiot the entire life. Many of them assume that this one film was me. This film flopped. This business flopped. This thing I tried flopped. So I flopped. I'm a failure. I cannot be a success. No. One failure does not determine who you are. Of course, the world will be against you at that point. Nobody will believe you. That is where you have to be the strongest. So it is very, very important that you get success initially. It's so, see, many people are lucky in that sense that the very first film they did became a hit. People accepted them. And there are people like me, I got my first break after 10 years. I've given small hits, I've given, but to become a hero, to get people to the theaters in big numbers, my first film as a hero, which people accepted, was Madhumasa, which came 10 years after my entry. In those 10 years, my brothers have told me, what are you doing? You are a first rank student. You can get into any engineering. You can get so much of money. And you're not getting money. You're not getting fame. You're not getting success. What are you doing here? If you think that way, what I was doing was, I was getting happiness in my work. I was feeling extremely good doing what I was doing. I was not successful. That is different. I was not getting money. That's also okay. But I was so happy doing what I was doing. See, there are things when you do, you feel good doing it. Those are the things you must choose. Success will come. Even if you're getting a lot of money, but you're doing something which you're not happy about, which you're cribbing in the mind, you're getting a lot of money in it, but you're not happy in that space, I tell you, that is in no way a success, boss. Tomorrow or day after, that chair is going to go away from you. But there is something that you love, that chair is going to be with you always. It's a permanent chair. It is not a 5-year chair which a politician gets because of votes. If it is something from your heart, it is going to be a long-lasting chair you will sit on. That wasn't what it was. So when it comes to failure, please be sure that was something that you really like to do and you failed. If it is something that you really didn't like and it failed, please, it's a very clear indication that you're in the wrong line in the first place. If it was something you loved deeply, you enjoyed doing every minute of it, working hours won't matter. When I do editing, when I do cinema, when I do shooting, I can shoot for 18 to 20 hours without getting tired, without getting irritated, and I love to keep the shot at 11 o'clock in the night. I love to keep it. I love to make my actors act because I basically love it. If that is the kind of field you're in, and if you're losing, absolutely no issue at all. It'll come back to you. There's no doubt about it. So please don't take it personally. Failure can be one. It was a wrong idea. It was a stupid idea. Accept it. 2, perhaps your team was bad. Perhaps you trusted the wrong people. Perhaps the guy you partnership was wrong. He was not of your wavelength. Perhaps you didn't have enough money. Perhaps the idea was ahead of its time. Who knows? Why a thing failed? So the thing failed. That particular project failed. You didn't fail.